This is a series of videos. Please refer to methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product.
The head. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Bring it up to the index finger. Pinch the yarn tail. You can see the yarn is movable. Again, let's show how to wrap the yarn. Okay. Leave a yarn tail here. Make a loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn crosses. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, join this round with a slip stitch. The chain stitch is the beginning of 1 round, which will not be counted into the number of stitches. Insert hook into the ring on the middle finger. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop. A magic ring is made.
Working into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. Then bring it to the index finger. Make a loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into a loop on your middle finger. Yarn round hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes a magic ring.
Then yarn around the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Okay, that's a chain stitch.
First, work a chain stitch. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
Next, work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. Okay, that's a single crochet.
Insert hook into a magic ring. Hook the yarn, pull up a loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done.
Such a V shape on the side is 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. We'll mark the first stitch of each round. Continue to work the remaining 5 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring, hook the yarn and pull up loop. Yarn around the hook, pull it through both loops on the hook. 2 single crochets are done. Keep working. 6 single crochets are done, you can count the ways to check the number of stitches. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Remove the marker. Insert hook into this marked stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop not only through the stitch but also through the original loop on the hook. Pull the first loop through the original loop on the hook. That's one slip stitch.
Slip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch, and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch.
The slip stitch serves as a connection, so it will not be counted into the number of stitches. Okay, round 1 is done. In round 2, start with a chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with one slip stitch. One chain stitch first. Next, work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight. Now we work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Insert hook into the same stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Okay, 1 increase is finished.
Continue to finish 5 more increases. 1 single crochet first. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Keep working. 6 increases are done. Remove the marker. Work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this rod through the underneath of the way. Round 2 is done.